Hello and welcome to our Quix tutorial. In this video I will show you the alert element. This is very handy and useful element to show some quick message and grab user attention. Click on the plus icon and select the alert element. Write heading and details in the content box. You can select from the predefined types. In the style tab you can change the alignment and adjust it for mobile, tablet and desktop device. You can change the heading style from the heading panel. Change text color, select font, font weight, font size, text transformation, style, decorations, line height, and text shadows are also here. To give it a unique look, change the background color and set the border type. Also, change the border width, border color, and border radius. You can also add box shadow and make it more amazing. It's just about setting shadow color and blur. The advanced tab is common everywhere and we have a dedicated video for this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact WeVive today.